Train lights were glowing soft along the rainy street. We climbed into the Cyclo, just you and me, my sweet. The night was warm and velvet, the ocean hummed nearby. Your hand slipped into mine as we began to fly. We rode through the rain in that little Cyclo, wrapped up close together, letting our love grow. Kisses soft as raindrops, whispers in the dark, forever in your arms. My beautiful Janet, my spark. Then the rain came gently tapping on the canvas hood. The driver smiled and closed us in just like he understood. He pulled the sides around us, made a cozy little room, while the city lights went dancing in the falling monsoon. We rode through the rain in that little Cyclo, wrapped up close together, letting our love grow. Kisses soft as raindrops, whispers in the dark, forever in your arms. My beautiful Janet, my spark. I held you even closer, felt your heartbeat next to mine. Your lips found mine so tender, sweet as Vietnam wine. I whispered I adore you as the rain played its song. You touched my face so gently, where I knew I belonged. 3 full hours we floated through that warm and silver rain, laughing soft and kissing while the world forgot our names. Your fingers in my hair, my hand upon your waist, every moment perfect, every breath a sweet embrace. When it finally ended, we paid the driver twice, thanked him with big smiles and happy shining eyes. He bowed and rode away beneath the fading light, but in my heart that Cyclo ride still feels like heaven every night. We rode through the rain in that little Cyclo, wrapped up close forever, letting our 2 hearts know. Kisses soft as raindrops, whispers full of grace, my love for you in the Trang rain. Time can never erase.